Good sir. This is my continuation recitation in call regs. Rule 7, risk of collision. Every vessel shall use all available means appropriate to the prevailing circumstance and condition to determine if risk collision of exists. If there in any doubt, such risk shall be deemed to exist. Section B. Proper use shall be made of radar equipment, fielded and operational, including long-range scanning to obtain early warning of risk of collision and including range scanning to obtain early warning of risk collision and including radar plotting or equivalent systematic observation of detected objects. Section C. Assumptions shall not be made on the basis of secondary information shall be among those taken into account. Such rate shall be deemed to exist if the compass bearing of approaching vessel does not appropriately change. Such risk may sometimes exist even when appropriate bearing or low or when approaching a vessel close to range.